Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to dispute errors on your business credit report on Experian. Alright, if you've been wondering how to do that, this video is for you. It's going to be a quick one. We're not going to waste any time, so let's just get straight into it. So the first thing you're going to do is to review your business credit report. So you want to carefully review your business credit report to identify any errors or inaccuracies. Then you need to gather supporting documentation. So just collect any documentation that supports your dispute, such as receipts or invoices and whatnot. Just gather them, and next you're going to submit your dispute online or by mail. So you can choose to submit your disputes online, or you can choose to do that by mail, in which case you're going to need to fill out the email for dispute form and submit that to have your dispute addressed. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to dispute errors on your business credit report on Experian. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next one.